In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search on X.com, formerly known as Twitter, in just a few simple steps. This is perfect if you want to find posts, trending topics, accounts, hashtags, news, or anything else happening right now on the platform. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open X.com in your browser or launch the X app if you're using mobile. Once you're on the home page, look at the left-hand navigation menu. On the left side of the screen, click on the Explore button. This is the main area where X helps you discover trending content and search for topics across the platform. After you click Explore, you'll see a search bar at the top of the page. Go ahead and click inside that search bar. This is where you can type whatever you want to look up on X. Now simply type the word, name, hashtag, or topic you want to search for. You can search for a person, a brand, a news story, a keyword, or even a specific phrase. Once you type it in, X will instantly show you relevant results. You can then browse through posts, accounts, photos, videos, and latest updates related to your search. If you want more specific results, you can also refine your search by checking different tabs like top, latest, people, photos, and videos. That makes it easier to find exactly what you're looking for. And that's it. Searching on X.com is that easy. Just click Explore, use the search bar at the top, and type your search term. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.